The compact bucket is easy for storage. Notice the built-in guard that prevents splashes while spinning. The clever pouring lip makes it easy to empty, and you should also note the maximum fill line on the inside. It's as simple to assemble as 1, 2, 3. Screw the 3 handle sections together, then screw the handle into the mop head and simply click the mop pad into place like so. Now you're ready to mop. Fill the bucket to the maximum line that we pointed out earlier. Click the mop into the spinning column like so. Release the locking clip on the handle and pump to spin in the water. This rinses any dirt from the mop head. Lift the mop and click the spinning column into the higher spin dry position to spin dry. You can easily control the amount of water left in the mop by how much you spin here. Lock the handle to your preferred height and angle for an easy and comfortable mop.